How to fix ChatGPT not working on your browser. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if ChatGPT is not working on your browser. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First and foremost, ensure your network connection is stable and working properly. If that's not your case, now you can clear browser cache and cookies. So for that, you have to open your browser and then click on the three dot at the top right, and you have to click on settings. Once you're on the settings, go to privacy and security from the menu bar on your left hand side. Here now you have to go to third party cookies. Here scroll down a bit and then click on see all site data and permissions. Here you have to look for chatgpt.com, and now you have to delete the cookies from here. Click on delete and here again click on delete. Now once you have done that, you can go back to ChatGPT, refresh it and check whether that will help you or not. If not, then you have to disable all the browser extension. So once you're on your browser, you have to go to the three dot at the top right and click on extensions and then go to manage extensions. So if you have any extension added on your Chrome, you have to remove or delete the extension from here. And once you have done that, you can go back to ChatGPT, and that's going to help you solve your problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.